Hello, my brothers and sisters in Christ. It's Vicky here. I wanted to jump on and let you know it is now approximately 8:43 Central Standard Time, Friday, still July the 5th, um, 2019. There has been, in the last 4 hours or so, a large explosion at the University of Nevada in Reno. Um, Argenta Hall. I have a link. Hopefully, that link will show you the video. But there was a large explosion at the University of Nevada at Reno. Um, keep looking up, brothers and sisters in Christ. It's almost time for home. I love you guys. Maranatha.